Guanma Packaging is a label material manufacturer established in Shanghai in 2010. Now, please follow me. Let me show our facilities to you. 帷幕的除夕中 Jiaxing in 2000春品。The company owns 7,000 square meters building and 7 coating machines to produce different materials. This is one of our coating machines. Slating and packaging process. We handle every step very professionally and carefully. Wrapping tightly before delivery. This is part of raw material stock. The most important facility is our R&D laboratory. We are your reliable label material supplier.